Hey everyone, welcome to this week's update. It's the 15th of October. This week we're going to look at the portfolio performance. Going to jump into a recent podcast I did, and also a look into what's happening in the crypto world. So just before I do that, and if you could like and subscribe to this video on YouTube, I'd deeply appreciate it. And now let's jump into the numbers. We're at 7.52% for October. This is predominantly because of a strong resurgence in Bitcoin and altcoins. We had many positions picked up in September during the latest dip, and I suppose news of an impending ETF sign off from the Fed has, I suppose, increased the interest in Bitcoin. This decision is going to be made on the 18th for a Bitcoin Futures ETF. I suppose the excitement around that is predominantly bullish. There's been some rumors on Bloomberg and on the Wall Street Journal that it's going to be approved. But as we take the fear, uncertainty, and doubt news with a pinch of salt, we also need to take the hype with a pinch of salt too. While it's good, while it's bullish, until the decision is made, it's still speculation. So just be careful if you're FOMOing at the moment and if you're getting excited about it. Just be careful that it still mightn't go through, and if it doesn't go through, there's likely to be a short-term correction. Alibaba has made a resurgence as well. Charlie Munger doubled down in his position, which has, I suppose, reaffirmed some confidence in the stock. For me, it's been a stock that I have continuously dollar cost at average. I just still find incredible amount of fundamental value in the company. And for me, it's a long-term hold. Take all the macro impact of regulation in China out of it. It's still a very, very strong company. It's got huge potential. It's very, very similar to the operational model of Amazon. I just think at $165 or whatever it is today, I think it's still a hugely undervalued stock, and that's why I'm still holding it. So for the year, we're at 72.7%. Over the past few months, we've kind of been up and down a little bit. But that's all a part of it. I mean, we have a long-term goal, a long-term view, and a red month here or there is no problems. Jumping into allocation, there's about 24% of the portfolio at the moment in cash. It's probably been one of the lowest for quite a while. There's still some opportunity there to purchase some additional crypto positions, but only if we see a short-term dip. I'm pretty happy with the exposure at the moment. I think we're well set up to capitalize on any upside in the coming days. Again, we'll see what happens with this ETF decision. If we do have a short-term dip, there could be potentials to buy. So overall, the breakdown is mainly in stocks and crypto. Stocks slightly ahead. When we look into crypto, I still think there's opportunities to buy some more positions there, and then ETFs to fill up the rest. So I was recently on the Copytraders Club podcast with Gavin McCauley. Feel free to check out the video. I'll post a link just above here. But also it's on my eToro page. I had a great conversation with Gavin. He asked me plenty of questions on my investing style, some of my positions on my portfolio, some of my ideas around crypto. But it kind of gives you an insight into who I am as a person and who I am as an investor. So do check that out if it's something that is of interest. To be featured on this podcast is a massive step for me. I enjoyed the questions, I enjoyed the conversation, and hopefully I'll be on similar podcasts in the future. So that's it from this week. We'll wrap it up there. Just to be wary of the price action when it comes to crypto and Bitcoin with the ETF decision this week. If you like this video, Please like it on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel if it's something that you want to receive more information about. And let me know what more you want to see in the comments. These videos are for my copiers or for my followers. So thank you, and we will catch you hopefully next week. Bye-bye.